Welcome to our fascinating journey through the human body. You know, we often look to the stars and galaxies for wonders, but some of the universe's most incredible feats of engineering are happening right here inside of us. Today, we're exploring some of the most important bones that keep us moving and grooving. These aren't just dry, dusty relics in a museum display case, folks. These are dynamic, living structures that tell a story, your story. First up, let's crack open the mysteries of the skull. Now, the skull isn't just one solid bone, you know. It's actually a complex puzzle of 22 different bones, all intricately fitted together. You've got the frontal bone right here making up your forehead, and then there are the parietal bones forming the sides and roof of your skull. Don't forget the temporal bones housing those incredible instruments, your ears. Now, the skull isn't just about looks, although it does give your face its unique character. Its primary job is to protect your brain, that 3-pound universe inside your head. Think of it as the ultimate helmet, safeguarding the command center of your entire body. But wait, there's more. The skull also provides the scaffolding for your face, giving your muscles a place to attach and allowing you to express every emotion, from a sly grin to a furrowed brow. And let's not forget about the jawbone, the strongest bone in your face. It's the workhorse that lets you chew your food, speak your mind, and yes, even yawn during this video. And speaking of intricate engineering, have you ever noticed those tiny holes scattered throughout the skull? Those, my friends, are called foramina. They're like little tunnels, providing passageways for nerves and blood vessels to enter and exit the skull. It's like a bustling city up there. Now, let's move on down to the humerus, that long bone in your upper arm. It's the connection between your shoulder and your elbow, and trust me, it's got a heavy workload. Imagine trying to lift a heavy weight or throw a baseball without it. You'd be in trouble. The humerus is a marvel of biomechanics. At the top, it has this smooth, rounded head that fits perfectly into the socket of your shoulder blade, forming what we call a ball and socket joint. This ingenious design gives your arm a remarkable range of motion, allowing you to rotate, extend, and swing your arm with ease. But the humerus doesn't work alone. It's connected to a team of muscles, tendons, and ligaments that all work in perfect harmony to give you strength and precision. There's the mighty biceps, the triceps on the back of your arm, and a whole host of other muscles that help you fine-tune every movement. And just like the skull, the humerus has its share of fascinating features. Take a look at the bottom of the bone. See those two rounded knobs? Those are called condyles, and they fit snugly into the bones of your forearm, the radius and ulna, to form your elbow joint. It's a hinge joint, and it allows you to bend and straighten your arm. Next, we journey to the chest, where we find the rib cage, a veritable fortress protecting your delicate organs. It's like a flexible cage made up of 12 pairs of ribs, all curving around your chest. Now, the ribcage has a vital job to shield your heart and lungs, those essential organs responsible for keeping you alive and kicking. Each breath you take, each beat of your heart is made possible by the protective embrace of the ribcage. It's like a personal bodyguard for your inner cosmos, but the ribcage isn't just a rigid shield. It's surprisingly flexible, expanding and contracting with every breath you take. This flexibility is thanks to the cartilage that connects your ribs to your sternum, that flat bone in the center of your chest. And here's a fun fact. Did you know that your ribs actually move slightly with every step you take? It's true. This subtle movement helps to absorb shock and keep your organs from getting jostled around too much as you move. So, the next time you're out for a walk, take a moment to appreciate the incredible design of your rib cage. Now, let's shift our attention to the pelvis, that large, basin-shaped structure at the base of your spine. It's like the foundation of a house, providing support and stability for your entire upper body. The pelvis is actually made up of 3 bones that fuse together: the ilium, the ischium, and the pubis. These bones work together to form a strong ring that connects your spine to your legs. But the pelvis isn't just about support, it's also a key player in movement. Think about it. Every time you walk, run, or jump, your pelvis is right there with you, shifting and rotating to keep you balanced and coordinated. And for all you aspiring dancers out there, The pelvis is your secret weapon. It's the center of gravity for your body, and mastering its movement is essential for achieving fluidity and grace in your dance moves. Last but certainly not least, we arrive at the femur, the undisputed champion of your skeletal system. It's the longest, strongest, and heaviest bone in your body, and it's the reason you can strut your stuff with confidence. The femur connects to your pelvis at the hip joint and extends all the way down to your knee, where it meets with the tibia and fibula, the bones of your lower leg. Now, the femur is designed for both power and efficiency. Its long, straight shaft provides leverage for powerful movements, while its smooth, rounded head fits perfectly into the hip socket, allowing for a wide range of motion. And let's not forget about the muscles that attach to the femur. We're talking about some of the largest and most powerful muscles in your body, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. These muscles work tirelessly to propel you forward when you walk, run, and jump. So the next time you're out for a jog or simply taking a leisurely stroll, take a moment to appreciate the incredible engineering of your femur. It's a testament to the power and resilience of the human body. Thanks for joining us on this anatomical adventure. We've journeyed from the top of your skull to the tips of your toes, exploring the fascinating world of human bones. Remember, these aren't just static structures, they're living, dynamic tissues that tell a story, your story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing insights into the human body. Until next time, keep those bones healthy and keep exploring the universe within.